Welcome back to another video. Today's a bit of a somber day. We are stripping the car. It does have to go at some point. The weather's still somewhat decent, so I'm going to take some time while it is available. I have some garage space reserved at King Boss Quad's house, and we are going to strip the car. But what happened was I mostly ripped the bumper off the car with the hitch, so we got to take it apart to see what I damaged, to fix it, to then put it back together without the hitch, without the wiring, without the MBRP exhaust is coming off. It's all coming off. I do have the factory setup right there on the tractor. I hauled it up from the back. I got the ramps in the garage. So what happened was I got home towing with the trailer, and the safety chain got tagged under the jack from the driver's side, and I guess it was a 1 in a million thing that the tongue came up while taking a corner, that this chain slipped underneath, and when it came down, it hit hard enough that it broke some tack welds underneath. And when I got home, the bumper, which as you can see is about 3/16 out now, it was about 1.5 inches out on both sides. So we got to take the car apart anyways. I figured we might as well just get it over with, get it stripped, and assess the damage. So I did basically rip the bumper off with the hitch. We knew it wasn't meant to tow. This was a once in a million because I towed tons. I probably have 10,000 kilometers towing without one issue, but this one time it was bad enough that I'm now not towing with the car anymore, and everything is coming off, and we are prepping for the next journey. All right, car's in, tires are removed, bumper has been also removed, getting everything ready to go back together. This MBRP exhaust looks so dope. The plan is just to put it on the truck when I get it and modify the MBRP system that I will be using when that time comes. However, we are currently here. So, we're looking for... Apologize for the horrible camera work. I'm not the most nimble of folk. So you see that there? It's right here. I do believe that is what is allowing me to move this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but with very little effort it is moving. And I do believe that is I want to say 1/8 to 1/4 low. So I'm going to take all this apart, let the exhaust hang because it's coming off anyways, and take a closer look. All right, we got the bumper all ripped apart. It did actually put like a 3.5 inch tear in. So the game plan, we've given it a little bit of grind. This here does move, so we're going to tack it back to the body, or back to the frame rail there, and then once it's securely held, we will tack that back together like it never happened, and then I will put the car back together with its OEM exhaust. Keeping it simple. Oh, we are getting her back together. It's not done. I gotta put the trim back in the trunk. I got the wrong clamps, so yeah, we're just running that wide open for now. Got the jack underneath there. I gotta put the ramps down, get the jack out because it hits the exhaust. MBRP tips are off. The full MBRP exhaust is off actually. The motors are reconnected. Everything is reconnected. Oh God, these things scare the tar out of me. But I guess the movement's better than the car falling off. I also got to work with jack stands for the first time in a while. Pro Eagle jack, for those of you that haven't seen it, you put the extensions there on it, and this thing will lift everything, no matter the height. Oh, what a tiring night. Once I got everything back together though, bumper went back together nice and smooth, everything fits good, everything looks good. I pulled all the trailer wiring out. Whole bunch more stuff to do tomorrow, so stay tuned for more.